Hey, Venka, your Summa theology presentation was awesome, man. Who helped you, man?
Do you know who helped me? The great legends of third year philosophy. Come, I'll show you.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर ना समंदरा दे फिर ना समंदरा दे असी ऐथे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तो असी जिद ते अड़े जनूनी बड़े ऐ दिल के कबूल एक जिंदगी मेरी सहारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी करा एक जिंदगी मेरी सहारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी करा
ओ जाते नहीं कहीं रिश्ते पुराने किसी नए के आ जाने से जाता हूँ मैं तो मुझे तू जाने दे क्यों परेशान है मेरे जाने से टूटा है तो जुड़ा है क्यों मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है क्यों हक नहीं तू ये कहे कि यार अब हम ना रहे एक तेरी यारी का ही सातों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ
Venka, your legends are really great, man. They are not only great. You know how much our professor loves them? Is it?
Third year philosophers, on the occasion of your completing your third year philosophical studies and going to start your regency, I would like to wish you all the success.
Dear brothers, you have spent 3 years in the seminary. You have studied philosophy. I'm sure what you have studied both in the seminary and what you have learned from different sources, books, human persons, your own companions, and above all from your teachers, staff. I'm sure all these will have a lot to do with your regency and on your journey to priesthood. I wish you all the best. Have your regency fruitfully and come back to the seminary. Thank you.
I wish our third year philosophers all the best, best of luck, and best of future. Wherever they are, let them flourish.
Dear philosophers, thank you so much for giving us company for the last 3 years. I hope you have enjoyed your stay here. Now you are going into another phase of your formation. Enjoy it. All the best to you, and learn a lot of things, collect a lot of experience so that you will be enriched when you come for theology.
Dear friends of the third year philosophy, as you are going to complete your studies and go to different experiences in the diocese, I wish you all the best and do well in the exam. Remember you in our prayers, and you to remember us in your prayers. All the best. Thank you.
Dear friends, congratulations. 3 years ago, you came over here, and now, after finishing one stage of your formation, you are moving out. I wish you all the best. May the good Lord be with you on your journey. May Mother Mary and Saint Joseph, all the angels and saints accompany you.
All the best to all the third year philosophers, and wish you all well in your regency time, and do well, be happy, and come back to the seminary with joy and vigor.
I wish all the best for the third year brothers and pray God's blessings upon them during their regency.
It is my joy to wish all the best for the third year philosophers and they go for their regency. May God bless them. Let them have a happy regency time.
Our third year philosophy brothers very shortly leave for their regency. It's a golden opportunity to put into practice whatever you have learned in the classroom. Moreover, it's an occasion to discern your own vocation. I wish you all the best. God bless you.
Our third year philosophy students are about to depart from the portals of this seminary. So my dear friends, I take this opportunity to wish you all the best. God bless you. May your regency a successful one. God bless you and praying for you.
Dear third year philosophers, would be regents. We began our journey together in the first year philosophy, and now we are ready to go for your partial experience. All the best. I have seen you growing over a period of time. I am sure the growth will continue. See you back soon. Have a wonderful regency. Take care.
My dear friends, greetings to all of you, very especially the third year philosophers, and it's more joy for us that you are finishing your philosophical studies and moving towards regency. I wish you all the best, good luck, God's blessings wherever you are, whether in a parish or an institution, whichever the place is assigned to you. Be joyful, enthusiastic, and communicate the good news of Jesus. God bless you.
So my dear friends, especially third year philosophers, you may feel sad to go, but I am very happy that you are going. It is nice to go from this place because you know, by going you will prove that you are never become a stagnant person. By going you will prove that whatever that you have done here, you will prove the effect or the fruit of it in the field. So therefore, you go and prove yourself that you are well formed in this institute. Keep the name of the institute and bloom wherever you are planted.
Dear third year philosophy brothers, as you are going to complete your philosophy course, advance wishes to you. Congratulations. You are eagerly waiting to go for your 1 year of pastoral experience or regency. I wish all of you a successful pastoral ministry. I also pray for you so that you may do your ministry successfully. Be enriched and come back enthused and energized. All the best.
Dear third year brothers, so all the best for you for the regency and God bless you. I wish you a fruitful regency for your future life. Thank you.
Hello, my dear brothers of third year philosophy. As an elder brother and your friend, I, Father Ivan D'Souza, wish you all the best. You are the Corona outgoing batch. So wish you all the best. Do well in everything and especially in the studies and later on during your regency. On my behalf, I wish you all the best. You have been a very good group in this philosophy section. You have taught very good things to your juniors as well as you have learned many things from them. So your unity is outstanding. So keep up this spirit. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Music.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.